This, yeah, I'm blown away. I'm literally blown away. Hey you guys, so welcome back. We have a wig review that is going to be a U-part wig today. Yay! I'm super excited about it. This one here is human hair. It is a kinky straight wig and it is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So this is an up close view of it. You do get 3 or 4 combs inside. This is going to be the back of the hair and this is the density. So stay tuned. Let's get into it and let's get into doing some styling. So the next wig that I have is going to be a U-part wig. So this is the first time that I featured a U-part wig on the channel. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how my hair is and how I'm going to put it on. I'll come back at the end to kind of give you some pros and maybe some cons when it comes to the wig. But since this is my first time, I'm kind of like new to it, so I don't know, like how it's gonna turn out. I'm pretty much like all over the place. So let's go ahead on. I do have it in kinky straight. I will leave all information for purchasing in the description box below. Thank you guys for pulling up on me today. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. I appreciate you coming by. I appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. We do have a lot over here. It's fun. You got wigs, you got eyelashes, you got makeup, you got all kind of stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead on and continue to watch, and also consider subscribing to the channel. So let's go ahead on and let's get into the review. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this is my hair. It has been a while since I have taken it out. So I have these 2 braids in the front. I usually leave these 2 braids like this, so that way if I want to wear a half wig, I'll be able to, pull the hair out and wear a half wig. So as you're going to see, I'm going to take out those 2 braids that I have in the front. And then I'm going to take out that big braid that's in the middle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to press the hair out. So I am going to use a little bit of oil because it was a little bit dry. And I'm going to use the flat iron and I'm going to go through and I'm going to press my hair out a little bit just to take some of the kinks out because it has been braided down for quite some time. After I do that, then I decided I was going to wear this wig as a middle part. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go in and put a part in the middle. And it doesn't have to be, as you guys can see, that long. It's going to be pretty small, actually. So when I take that middle piece out, we're going to flat iron that as well. And then I'm going to go in with some oil, and then we're going to add some heat to it. And then we're going to get that to lay down. Now, I will tell you guys, this wig blended with my hair so good, like amazingly well. I could not believe it. You couldn't even tell where my hair was and where the wig was. So it is a really good if your texture is pretty much like mine. So I'm gonna put on a wig cap on the back. That's just to put my hair up because you guys, if you watch me, you know I have a lot of hair. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is fasten the wig down. Now you do get about 3 combs up top, so once you open them up, you have to clamp those down around the parting area and then pull the wig down in the back. Once you do that, you can just start to literally finger blend your hair in with this. Now if you want to go through and like flat iron your hair with the wig, you can do that as well. I didn't need to do that. Once I brushed it down and just kind of situated the sides, I was blown away at how easy it was to manage and just how easy it was to to style it. So stay tuned for some of my pros and my cons. Obviously if you want to get it straighter than this, you can. I will give you guys another style at the end before the video closes. Okay, you guys, so basically this is a natural look for this U-part wig. As you can see, I just brushed my hair over it and that's pretty much it. If you have a relaxer or something like that, you may find it a little bit challenging. And the reason why I say that is because it is kinky straight, so it blends in good with my hair because I do not have a relaxer or any chemicals really in my hair. I say really, I mean at all. I don't have anything in my hair, and it blends in so well. Look at my gray showing. So it blends in so well to me, and it makes it look, like it's my hair. Like this has become my new favorite wig. I have never, really worn a U-part wig before, and I feel like I see what all the hype is. This here, if you got edges and if you got hair enough to cover it, girl, look at that. I mean, nobody will be able to say that, oh my God, that's not my hair. What I love about it too is that if you want, you can pull this up and you see the sides look natural as well. And the length on it is perfect, you guys. This length is perfect. The density on this is nice. Once I flat ironed the hair, it did come like with those little crimps in it. Everything worked out really good. This is basically my hair blown out. This is crazy. Okay, you guys, so here is another style. What I did is I want to see if I can put my hair in an updo, and I could. This hair blended in so well with my hair. It was easy. All I had to do was get a little strategic around the hairline and pull it up. I'm sure if I took my time and really did it, it would look even better. So I hope you guys liked the review today. Let me know what you think. Do you like U-part wigs? Are you planning on getting one? Do you have one? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.